So in this chapter, we have already discussed about the different parts of the PowerPoint, and today we have to actually start the practical. How can you create a presentation, and what are the different ways in which you can create a presentation? So these are the two different ways in which you can create a presentation. Right now I am having Office 2010, so I can have only this one, blank presentation. I can use only blank presentation because rest of the options are available in Office 2016. So if you will open PowerPoint presentation, in the file menu you will get an option, if you will click on new, you will get an option of blank presentation, or you can also use the templates which is available over there. So these are the different types of template you can, like suppose let's say you have to make a presentation of award function, you can click on this template. Right now I think these templates are not available with me. Hmm. Sample templates. Okay. These are the templates which I have right now. So let's say if you are creating a science project, you can use this template and click on create. Automatically template means something which is already you have. You just edit the content and your project is ready. आपको कुछ नहीं करना. You don't have to do any designing. You don't have to add anything. Everything is already added. Here you will write the name of your project, who is presenting, on which date you are presenting. Science pictures are already inserted. You can change these pictures also. If you wanted to change, you can change these pictures. Overview, मतलब कैसे कैसे what will be the flow of your presentation, this is already they have designed. You can just do the changes in this. ठीक है? And graphs are there, flow charts are there, everything is there. This is called as template. Template means जो आपको already ready मिल रहा है, आपको सिर्फ उसको edit करके अपना content डालना है. This type is called as template. We can use many different templates here. Like these are the sample templates. Photo album, if you are creating a photo album, you can use this. If you are creating a quiz, you can use this. If you are matlab demonstrating something to your team members, then you can use this. And you can use any of these. Like let's say 5 rules. Let's check this one. This is also a template with how many slides? With almost 56 slides. And see, the beautiful animations and pictures are already added here. So you can use it as a template, and you can make it your own PPT. Slide background, everything is already added, right? So this is called as template. जो आपके पास पहले से ही ready है, designing is all done. You can just replace the pictures. You can just add your own content, and everything is all ready. Like let's say if I wanted to remove this picture, I can just simply click that part and it will get deleted. Right? Or if you wanted to change anything, you can do the changes. So this is template. Now how to make a blank presentation? You can go to file, go to new and click on blank presentation. And then click on create button. Now this is your blank presentation. Now it is totally up to you what design you wanted to add, what how many colors you wanted to add. क्योंकि आप templates में तो it is all ready. यहाँ पर आपको सब कुछ खुद करना पड़ता है. So you have to from the scratch you have to start. You have to give colors, you have to add text, you have to add pictures by yourself. Everything you have to do by yourself. तो इसका मतलब आपकी खुद की designing है. Now, but here also we have many different options. Let's move forward. Next option is about slides and slides layout. Now let's come to slides layout. First of all, you have to understand what is slide. So this is a slide where you can post your content. And what is slide layout? Slide layout means you wanted to place only text, or you wanted to add some pictures also, or you wanted to make this slide as a comparison sheet, or how you wanted to do. Let's say मुझे यहाँ पे comparison करना है different seasons का, rainy season and winter seasons का comparison करना है. Then I'll go to slide layout and I'll choose a design like this, because it will be easier for me to edit this slide, because here I will write just comparison. Sorry. Summer season, winter season, and then I can insert the pictures or the text or whatever you want, whatever you wanted to add, you can directly add it here. So this means you are starting something from the scratch, so you can choose your own layout कि आपको कैसी slide चाहिए. You wanted to place two content, you wanted to make comparison, you wanted to just add a picture in a slide with a caption, you wanted to take a blank slide. So this is totally up to you कि आपको कैसी slide चाहिए, आप उसमें क्या add करना चाहते हो. This is called a slide layout. ठीक है. We can insert charts, we can insert videos, we can insert audio, and one by one we will learn all these things. How can we do that? Okay, after slide layout, next topic is adding text to the slide. So and how to move that text after placing it in a slide. So let's say I'm taking one more slide now. New slide. How to add a new slide? Either you can right click on your first slide after which you wanted to add your new slide and then click on new slide, or you can go to the new slide button in the home tab and then choose a design for your slide. Let's say I wanted to add this slide, so I can choose this one. So this type of slide with the layout will be added. Here I can add a picture, and here I can write the title for my picture or title for my page, whatever. So let's say now here we have added a new slide. Now I wanted to add some content in my slide. Layout, I wanted to change it to this one. So let's say here I am writing seasons. After writing seasons, I wanted to shift it to some other place. I can simply click on this dotted border. Now place your cursor over here and you can move it anywhere, wherever you wanted to move. So this is how you can move your text box on a presentation, right? Moving a text box. Let's go further. Next is inserting a new slide. This I have already shown you. You can also press a shortcut key Ctrl+M to add a new slide. And the other two ways I have already shown. You can right click on the slide also, and you can click on new slide button in the home tab. Saving a presentation now, and then formatting. Saving a presentation is very simple. You have to go to the file tab and click on save and give a name to your file. And choose the location now where you wanted to save your file. D drive, primary classes, class 4, and then save it. Right? So like this, you can save your projects or save your files also. Now, now let's come to the initial point. How can we do the designing of a slide? Let's take a topic first on which we will be creating a PowerPoint presentation today. So I am closing all these windows and I'm taking a new slide, opening PowerPoint presentation again. I don't want to save it. Okay, this is my new presentation. I'm going to create this presentation on topic seasons, let's say. It's a science project and I wanted to display the clothes we wear in different seasons. Okay? So this is a project on clothes. Types of clothes based on different seasons. So this is my first slide. I wanted to give a background color to my slide. So I will right click on my slide and go to format background. Now from here, you can fill a solid color in your slide like this. You can put a gradient also. You can choose a colors for the gradient. These are the decided colors which you can use. You can add a picture at the background also, like suppose this, because this is uh, uh, PPT or the project, science project, which I'm going to create on types of clothes based on different seasons. So I can take a picture background related to seasons. So for that, you will go to Google and search for an image, something like seasons. Images. So now you can decide whichever the background you wanted to use for your first slide. I think this will look good. A tree with many different shades. Let's add it, try it, copy, paste. Now because I have inserted it as a, because it was not, the picture was not saved in my PC and I have used it from the desktop, directly from the internet. Second option which you can use is, you should not directly use this picture like this. You should save it first in your computer. So let's save it also. Save image. I'm going to save it in my D drive, primary classes. I'm creating a new folder, pictures, and I'm saving it here. Now let's add it in this slide. I'm going to delete it, add it as a background. Right click, format background, go to pictures, choose a file, choose the location where you have saved, D drive, primary classes, pictures, and here is my picture. Insert, close. Picture is inserted, but the content which I have written earlier is not visible properly. So you can just move it wherever it is, visible. But after inserting, I realized that this picture is not looking good. So if you wanted to make some changes again, go to remove background, and you can choose a different type of picture, or simply you can choose a solid or a gradient or a pattern. Let's say this pattern, or you can just simply write hide background graphics, close. So like this you can, uh, or you can like if I'm creating a presentation on types of clothes, I can search a picture like yes, exactly. We can use something like this. Copy it. Okay, let's save that picture first. Save image. We can also use, this one. It is totally up to you what you are going to use. Okay, let's add this picture. Now shift this types of clothes based on different seasons. Bring it to the center, and if you wanted to change the font style and everything, you can change it from here. Color also, if I wanted to change, you can change it from here. So let's say this is my first slide, and here let's say you wanted to add your name also, and this is a science project, let's say. इसको थोड़ा छोटा करना है हमने size, you can reduce the size also. ठीक है, and then here you can write science project submitted by whatever is your name. I am writing my name. So you can give different colors also again. So let's say this is your first slide. Now you wanted to add a new slide. So click on the slide, right click, and then click on new slide. This is one option. Second option is you can go to new slide and choose a design for your slide. So on next slide, I want something like this. Change the background color. Now I want only colors for my slides. So I am choosing gradient. Let's say this is a first time making a slide on summer season. Summer season is a little yellowish in color, so let's choose this color. And I am going to change the colors also. इसको ऊपर से थोड़ा येलो कर देते हैं इस वाले कलर को. चेंज द कलर अगेन. इसको हम थोड़ा सा और चेंज करके लिटिल ग्रीनिश में लाते हैं और नीचे से इसको ब्लू ही रहने देते हैं. सो समरिश शेड आ गया ये. ठीक है. नाउ हियर आई कैन राइट summer season. And now you can insert the pictures related to summer season. So here from the internet again you can search. Let's say I wanted to insert this picture, copy it and paste it. Control plus V. This is one way. And the other way is same as I have shown you earlier. आप पहले picture को save करोगे and then it will appear in your slide. ठीक है. You can insert it as a picture. तो अभी इसको वैसे second way से भी करके देखते हैं. Right click, save image, save. Now go to your presentation. Here there is a picture of icon of inserting image. So click on this icon, choose a picture which you wanted to add and click on insert. The picture will get inserted like this. Right? So this is, let's say, summer season. But मुझे चाहिए कि ये समर सीजन में जो पीछे व्हाइट कलर का बैकग्राउंड आ रहा है क्लोथ्स के पीछे वो नहीं आना चाहिए. So if I don't want to use this type of picture with white background, then I can search for a PNG image also. PNG images are those images which don't have any background and it looks more beautiful if you will insert it on a page. So let's search these types of images. Hmm. Okay, how do I know that this image is a PNG image or not? So for searching the PNG images, you have to check the background. If the checkboxes will appear in the background, then it is a PNG image. And if the checkboxes are not coming, it's not a PNG image. Now, if the checkboxes are coming before opening, then also it's not a PNG image. So the checkboxes should appear only after opening the images. Like this, after opening this image, only checkboxes is coming. So it's a PNG image. I can copy this image and I can use it in my presentation. Paste. Let's save that image. Save image. Now use it. Add image. Choose the image, this one. Now it is looking much better than the previous image because it's a PNG image. PNG images are those images which don't have any background with it. तो आप जो भी background लगाओगे, it will look original, right? Next slide. अब मुझे क्या करना है इस summer slide में मुझे इसका font change करना है. I can इसको bluish font कर देते हैं या orange color से कर देते हैं. You can choose more colors also. Let's make it bluish. Okay. And make it bold. Change the font also. Now what I wanted to do, I wanted to make a duplicate slide of this so that I can make the changes. So I will right click on this slide and go to duplicate slide. अब क्या होगा, ऐसी सेम स्लाइड आ जाएगी, आपको सिर्फ चेंजेस करने हैं. समर की जगह क्या लिखना है, विंटर. ठीक है, विंटर. एंड देन रिमूव दिस पिक्चर. ठीक है, इसकी जगह हम दूसरी पिक्चर डालेंगे. चेंज द बैकग्राउंड कलर ऑल्सो. विंटर सीजन है, लेट्स मेक इट ग्रेडियंट में चेक करते हैं. ऐसी कोई इमेज है, फॉगी इमेज. ओके, दिस इज फाइन फॉर द विंटर सीजन. ठीक है, क्लोज इट. आई नीड नॉट टू मेक एनी चेंजेस इन दिस पिक्चर, मतलब कलर्स. लेट्स सर्च फॉर द विंटर क्लोथ्स नाउ. Winter clothes png, this time we will write. Check for, let's check for this image. Is it a png? No, it's not a png image. Let's check for this one. No, it is also not a png image because the checkboxes are not coming after opening. So the checkboxes should appear after opening the image, then only it's a png. It is also not a png image. This is also not a png image. Yes, this is a PNG image because now the checkboxes are coming in the background. So save this image. And use it now. Insert image. Right, right. Like this, you can make a presentation, add images and add content, change the color, do the formatting and insert the images and change the background also. So rest of the things we will understand in the next class now.